Hey everyone, welcome to the Weller channel. Today I'll show you how to fix headphones with no sound on Windows 11. Let's start with the basic issues. First, test your headphones on your phone to see if they work. This is important because if they don't, software fixes won't help. Next, let's check the output settings. Click Settings and select your headphones. Make sure to choose the right headphones or you won't get any sound. Then check if the sound is on and test it in different apps. Like this. Sometimes the sound might be muted in a specific app. Now, let's talk about drivers. Open Device Manager by right-clicking the Start menu, then click Audio. Select your headphones from the list. Right-click, select Properties, Drivers, Update Driver, Browse My Computer, and Let Me Pick. Choose your drivers here and click Next. This will update your device's drivers. This might also help. If that doesn't work, go to Troubleshooting Settings. Click Additional Troubleshooters and select the audio option. This should fix 90% of software-related issues. If it doesn't help, check your audio output and headphones. This is Weller signing off. Take care, everyone.